provides reliable power and data transfer for GPS devices, ensuring uninterrupted navigation, fast charging, and consistent performance during travel use. My today's video is about top 5 best GPS charging cable that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at HODU GPS charging cable. This dedicated Garmin GPS mini USB car charger cable is a reliable travel essential designed to keep your navigation system continuously powered during long journeys. Built specifically for a wide range of Garmin devices including Nuvi, Drive, Drive Smart, Drive Assist, Drive Lux, and Diesel series, it ensures broad compatibility for most mini USB-powered GPS units. Delivering pure power from a vehicle's 12V outlet, it focuses solely on stable charging without data sync functions, making it highly efficient and interference-free for on-road navigation. The heavy-duty, double-insulated construction enhances durability, while the generous 6-foot, 1.8-meter length provides flexible installation and comfortable device positioning inside any vehicle. Ideal for drivers who depend on uninterrupted GPS guidance, it guarantees consistent power supply even on extended trips. However, users must carefully verify compatibility as it does not support newer Garmin models or mini USB devices. Now our second product is Leono GPS charging cable. This iOS-only GPS tracker for vehicles offers a simple, subscription-free solution for Apple users who want basic location tracking without SIM cards or monthly fees. Integrated with the Apple Find My network, it pairs quickly with iPhone, iPad, or Mac, requiring no additional apps, which makes setup smooth and beginner-friendly. However, users should clearly understand its limitation. It is not a real-time GPS tracker, as updates depend on nearby Apple devices, which may affect tracking accuracy in low-density areas. The device's 2-in-1 design is a strong advantage, combining a hidden car tracker with a dual USB-A and USB-C charger in a discrete, plug-and-play form that blends naturally into a vehicle's interior, enhancing anti-theft protection without drawing attention. Its concealment design makes it practical for everyday security use, though exclusivity to iOS and lack of live tracking may limit advanced users. Our third product is Leeson GPS charging cable. This micro USB to USB-C cable delivers a balanced mix of fast charging performance and durable build quality, making it a practical choice for everyday device use. With 25 AWG high-gauge low-impedance wiring, it supports up to 3A fast charging and maintains stable power delivery even over its 3.3-foot length, ensuring minimal energy loss. Data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second via USB 2.0 allow smooth syncing of files, making it suitable for both charging and light data use. The upgraded 3D aluminum connectors combined with laser welding technology enhance structural strength, reducing the risk of breakage at stress points. Its reversible USB-C design improves convenience, while the nylon braided exterior and reinforced strain relief boost durability, withstanding over 20,000 bends. The 3.3-foot length is ideal for flexible use in home, office, or car environments. Now number 4, Sungai GPS charging cable. This Sungai micro USB to USB-C OTG cable is a versatile connectivity solution designed for users who need seamless interaction between modern USB-C devices and legacy micro USB hardware. It supports OTG functionality, allowing USB-C hosts like laptops, tablets, and smartphones to directly connect with micro USB devices for both data transfer and charging, provided OTG support is enabled. With USB 2.0 standards, it delivers stable transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second and power output up to 10 W, making it suitable for everyday syncing and light charging tasks. The nylon braided exterior significantly enhances durability, resisting wear and repeated bending for long-term use. Compatibility is broad, covering devices from MacBook and Dell XPS to Samsung Galaxy series and various micro-USB peripherals like controllers, cameras, and audio devices. However, Users must note specific limitations, including device compatibility restrictions, such as certain DJI and FiO models. And our last choice is LuckFocab GPS charging cable. This LuckFocab USB-C to micro USB cable is a practical bridge for connecting modern Type-C devices with older micro USB accessories, making it especially useful in mixed device environments. Equipped with an upgraded smart chip, it ensures stable and efficient charging while minimizing power fluctuations, which enhances device safety during extended use. Supporting USB 2.0 data transfer speeds up to 480 megabits per second, it allows smooth file syncing alongside charging, with a maximum output of 2.4A for reasonably fast power delivery. Its broad compatibility spans USB-C host devices such as laptops, tablets, and wall chargers, as well as a wide range of micro-USB gadgets including smartphones, gaming controllers, e-readers, cameras, and portable speakers. The braided exterior significantly improves durability, resisting wear and tangling while maintaining a lightweight, easy-to-use design. However, users must note its directional limitation, as it only supports USB-C to micro USB connections. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.